Okay, welcome back. Quick update on the Cessna 182, 26%. Been working on the doors, hinges are done, just need to be painted, and I just finished up the locking mechanism. So the interesting thing, had to reverse the movement of the handle to the pin itself, because on the full scale, the front pushes in, the rear pulls up, and that unlocks it. Now if you look at the back here, you can see how that reverses the pin, and the pin moves in and out with the handle being pulled up. So yeah, all done. Happy with that so far. Cheers. Thanks for watching.